The one that I'm looking at that was ripping right now is SPRC.
Okay, so oldie but goodie.
Yep. These, and by the way, these are all very low float, and they all could probably do pretty much the same thing. I think a couple of these are moving on the same issue. No news, but the Strait of Hormuz tensions. But with this one in particular, this is you want to go through the news, and
let me do it here real quick. We're going to start with SPRC. This is SciSparc. We affectionately call these ex-girlfriends because we've traded them before several times. We've seen SciSparc move here before. Stock is up 170%, not a typo. SciSparc announced Neurothera received conditional TSX approval for acquisition of approximately 54% interest in Clincy Quantum. Okay, I hope that you read through this PR because we're going to need some help on this one. I'm not going to go ahead and read this. I'm going to have you tell me what you think here in a little bit. But quickly, around the horn, short interest on this name, 5.5%, 1 day to cover. So it's there. It's not elevated. It doesn't meet high by our metric on either account. The float, just like 13 said, extremely low float, 565,000 shares in the float. On average, it only trades 500,000 shares. Today, it's traded over 9 million. So super low float. What do you got here, 13? SciSparc, SPRC.
Yeah, well, I didn't dive into the news about it. It didn't really make a difference to me because I just want to know why it was moving. So this is moving on. You said it's on conditional approval from a drug from their subsidiary. But more interesting to me was, what's their revenue like? What's their cash like? Because this is a biotech, they eat through that. Is this subject to compliance issues as a couple of these other ones were? This actually did a 1-for-9 reverse split back in March, which is the reason why you have this 565,000 share float. And we also can see that the company doesn't have a very good cash position either. And I think this is one that we need to be careful with if we're going to, take a trade in this. It's been fantastic this morning. VWAP's been giving it support, running into some trouble up at the $13 handle. But this company eats through cash. It doesn't have very much revenue, and it's going to need some more cash. So I think that this is a very high likely capital raise candidate, whether private placement or whether it be through just direct issuance of commons. I mean, I don't know how they're going to do it, but just keep in mind they do need cash. They're going to have to raise it somehow. That is the risk here with this one. As far as the chart goes,
real quick, 13, just on that note, the last time they did a capital raise, February 3rd of this year. So it looks like it's probable for this one. They've done it before. Just beware.
And they're going to probably need to do it again. Looking at the chart here, this is it just blew through all the different support and resistance levels I had from the last time we traded this. So it went through all that. The support that I see at this stage is going to be at VWAP on the 5-minute chart. So we'll see if it can get some support there as we approach the open. But if it does, then I would want to see this climb back over $13 since that's looking like the big resistance right now.